Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the famous TikTok video coloring tutorial using CapCut. So after you import your clips, you just need to go to adjust and then follow this settings. So first set the brightness into -5 and then the contrast -40, saturation 15, set the sharpen into 100 and click on highlight and set it into 25. Then click on shadow and lower it to -15 and then click on the thumb and add 8. Then set the hue into 10 and last add some fade 5. Okay, like this. Click on the check icon and here is the final result. Okay everyone, so if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I'll really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.